Egomaniacs, cops with bad attitudes. In a lot of the videos that we see regarding police officers, we see that they're egomaniacs. They have bad attitudes. They treat the people with the disdain. And in this video, you're going to see exactly what I'm talking about. Just look at the way this cop behaves. He does not care about what this man is saying. And in my opinion, this man is not being rude or anything like that. So I'm going to drop the original link for this guy in the description and in the pinned comment. So make sure you guys go subscribe and give him the credit that he deserves. Let's get right to it. Check out the way this cop behaves.
Now, because you've already reported it, you need to confront with him, or you need to ask him why it's not in the statement. If you're not happy with that, go to his supervisor, Sergeant Hintz.
But when you say report it, that means verbally state it.
I don't know what that means. I don't know
because that's what happened, and he never reported it.
Okay, well, you can ask for body camera. You can request all that stuff.
I've got all that.
Okay, then you can go through and see where.
Okay, so what's the reason that you don't? This officer's the only one that could take this report?
Because you've already reported to him, you said.
Because I've already reported to him.
Because you don't dictate who you get to go talk to and don't talk to. That's
But
when you reported it.
Shouldn't any police officer be able to take my report as a citizen?
He's going to take your report because you've already talked to him.
But he didn't do it then when I talked to him.
What did I just tell you then? What you needed to do?
It doesn't make sense. So
What did I tell you that you needed to do then? If he didn't do what you thought he needed to do,
I have to call him or his supervisor.
his supervisor, correct?
Officer Hintz, and that's who shot me in the back that day.
I have no clue.
So why am I going to call either of them?
Okay, I'm giving you your options.
That's why I'm saying I'd rather have a different police officer.
It's already been done.
And you're saying that you don't. That's not how you do things. That's
I'm
exactly
telling
what you said,
what
though.
you need to do.
But you said that's not how you do
I'm not
things.
going to take your report until after you talk to them.
Okay, I'll talk to him, and then you'll take my report then.
Probably not after I talk to. I'll talk to them to see what's going on.
And so what if they don't take my report again for the second time?
Okay, these what ifs isn't going anywhere because we can do this all day. First, do what I've asked.
Because I've already wasted
First, do what
enough
I've
time.
asked. Then after you've done that, come back. Then you can talk to their supervisor if you don't feel that they did their job right.
All right, folks, really quick, I want to talk about a thing called malfeasance. When police officers have a job to do and they don't do it and it causes you monetary harm, that's called malfeasance. It's time to start pointing that out. A lot of people think that malfeasance only has to do with physical harm, but it also has to do with monetary as well. If something that a police officer does causes you monetary harm, go make a complaint for malfeasance. Keep watching the video.
Okay.
All kinds of stuff.
Either Captain Sands would be Sergeant Hintz's supervisor.
Captain Sands. Can you write all their information down? Hintz, Sands?
Here, I'll let you write it down.
All right.
It's almost like you're using some money laundering thing here and don't want me to know about it.
Gotta keep the camera on you. Alright, okay. Hintz first.
Hintz.
I know how to spell his name. And Sands.
Sands.
Alright.
So yeah, so Sands is his supervisor.
Yep. Okay. I'm ready for the contact info.
It's this number here that you just call that number and request a phone call from one of them.
Okay.
All right?
Alright.
All right. Good luck.
I don't believe in luck.
Okay, then. Have a great day.
You too. Thank you, officer.
I'll take it.
You too, Deanna. Have a great day.
Thank you. I'll take all the luck.
All right, so police officers are given jobs to do, and for some reason, they don't really seem to want to do it. In this video, that's exactly what happened. This cop just had a really bad attitude, and if you notice, he had 3 chevrons on. That means he is a sergeant, but we don't like to call them sergeants on this channel. We like to call them babysitters or assistant managers. They're supposed to assess situations and act professionally, and we're seeing that they don't act like that. They need to fire these guys. Anyways, thank you all for tuning in. Make sure you go subscribe to the original channel. I'll drop the link in the description and in the pinned comment. All right, folks, we'll see you then.